Welcome back. You're watching the first semifinals match in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are now Friendship Primary on 6 and Vaz Prep on 6. This is because Friendship Primary gained a point for the question, the definition of Wangagot. Craven was in fact accepted since we didn't ask for the English answer. Now we go into section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, a member of each team will face off against a member of the opposite team in math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-off 1 is in the category of mathematics and is between Damanish Clooney of Friendship Primary up against Janoy Thompson of Vaz Prep. Captain Damanish, we begin with you. What's the mean average of 65, 36, and 79?
60.
That's correct. Captain, a book costing $2,500 is on sale at a discount of 15%. A girl buys the book with the discount applied. How much did she pay?
$2,125.
That's correct. Captain, what's the sum of 77.98 and 34.95?
112.93.
That is correct. On a 12-hour clock, what time would 23:49 hours be?
11:49 p.m.
That's correct. What's the smallest whole number?
0.
5 of 5, Captain. We now go over to you, Janoy. What's the median of 46, 25, 57, and 22?
41.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. 35.5.
That is correct. Janoy, a toy is being sold at a price of $3,500 plus 15% tax. A boy buys the toy with the tax included. How much did he pay for the toy?
$4,025.
That is correct. What's the sum of 64.87 and 57.35?
122.22.
That's right. Janoy, on a 24-hour clock, what time would 9:42 p.m. be?
21:42 hours.
That's right. What's the smallest composite number?
4.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Teon Hughes of Friendship Primary up against Michaela Dixon, the captain of Vaz Prep. Teon, scientists have found that the most likely cause of damage to the ozone layer is from a number of gases called CFCs. What does CFC stand for?
Chlorofluorocarbons.
That's correct. Trees and all other plants lose huge amounts of water from their leaves every day through what process?
Transpiration.
That's correct. What's the name of the rough rubber surfaces of tires?
Treads.
That's correct. What type of farming uses natural fertilizers and not chemical fertilizers?
Organic farming.
That's right. What type of consumers is usually found at the lowest level of a food chain pyramid?
Producers.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
We were looking for primary consumers or herbivores. Captain, over to you. What's the name of the trapping of the sun's heat by the atmosphere around the Earth?
The greenhouse effect.
That's correct. What type of energy is found in food?
Chemical energy.
That's right. What name do scientists give to the use of present knowledge to say what will happen in a test before carrying it out?
Hypothesis.
Or prediction, that's correct. Some plants are grown in nutrient-rich liquid. What's this method of growing plants called?
Terracing.
That's incorrect. Tian, want to
Hydroponic
try?
farming.
Say again.
Hydroponic farming.
Hydroponics is correct. Captain, what type of consumers are usually found at the top of a food chain pyramid?
Tertiary consumers.
Or carnivores. That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Monicia Daly of Friendship Primary, who's up against Kiran Anderson of Vaz Prep. Monicia, specifically, what tense is used in this sentence? He has been playing in the band since childhood.
Past perfect continuous.
That's incorrect. Kiran, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's present perfect continuous. Monicio, form an adjective from the verb to elude.
Illusional.
That's incorrect. Kiran, want to try?
No, thank you.
Okay, so it's elusive. Monicio, spell pariah, which means an outcast.
P-R-A-Y-E-R.
That's incorrect. Kiran, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's pariah, P-A-R-I-A-H. Monicio, without changing the tense, correct the error, if any, in this sentence. A bouquet of red flowers are on the table.
R should be is.
That's correct. Which of the following words is closest in meaning to astute? Is it lazy, shrewd, excited, or dull?
Shrewd.
That is correct. Kiran, we're over to you. Specifically, what tense is used in this sentence? I had finished my work already.
Future perfect tense.
That's incorrect. Monicia, want to try?
Past perfect.
Past perfect is correct. Kiran, form an adjective from the verb to tickle. Question passes to you, Monicia. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's ticklish. Kiran, spell brawn, which means physical strength.
B-R-A-W-N.
That's right. Kiran, without changing the tense, correct the error, if any, in this sentence. The boy, along with his mother, are expected today.
It should be R. R should be is.
Judges? All right, that's accepted. The correct answer did come, so that's right. Which of the following words is closest in meaning to embellish? Is it exaggerate, cry, devour, or stray?
Exaggerate.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Elena Smith of Friendship Primary up against Zachary Buchanan of Vaz Prep. Elena, in what year was Kingston first made a parish in Jamaica?
1813.
That's incorrect. Zach, want to try? It's 1713. Elena, which equinox occurs on March 21st in the northern hemisphere?
Vernal equinox.
Or spring equinox, that's correct. From which Caribbean island is the poet Claude McKay?
Jamaica.
That's right. Policeman, the horned cowhead, and horsehead are three major characters of which traditional group in Jamaica?
The Clarendonians.
That's incorrect. Zach, want to try? It's John Kunu. Elena, what's the name given to the national tree of St. Lucia?
Calabash tree.
That is correct. Zach, we're over to you. In what year was the Gleaner newspaper in Jamaica first published?
1957.
That's incorrect. Elena, want to try?
Yes, please. 1834.
That is correct. Zach, in which hemisphere does the winter solstice take place on December 21st?
Northern hemisphere.
That's right. From which Caribbean island is the author George Lamming?
Barbados.
That's correct. What's the name of the John Kunu character in Jamaica, which is often depicted by a person dressed up as a pregnant lady?
Mary?
That's incorrect. Alena, want to try?
No.
It's belly woman. Zach, what's the name given to the national plant of St. Lucia?
Bamboo.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Friendship Primary on 24 and Vaz Prep right behind on 20. The final challenge is next in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. Stay with us.